Welcome to The Labs, a do-it-yourself collaborative space for creatives, entrepreneurs, makers, and performers, and home to the fabrication, memory, and studio labs here at MLK Library. Since our launch in 2015, The Labs is a community space where you may create, innovate, and connect with other creatives, entrepreneurs, makers, and performers. We're excited to bring the same spirit to our new home here at the newly modernized MLK Library. Whether you want to 3D print a small object, digitize your memories, learn how to mend your clothes, or record a podcast, The Labs is your space and free to use with your library card. The Labs has the tools to help you express who you are, where you come from, and where you're going. Whether you're working independently or in community, there's space for you at The Labs. We cannot wait to see you, see what you make, and help you find your story.